What is dead equity? Well, if you're an Ontario homeowner and you've owned your home the past 3 to 5 years, you've probably generated a lot of equity given the rising house values. But what can you do with that equity if it's locked into your home? I've been helping borrowers over the last few years access that debt equity, specifically to consolidate high interest credit card debts, where we're taking people from 19% credit cards and car loans and rolling it into a new mortgage, paying at much cheaper rates, overall saving people sometimes thousands of dollars a month in terms of their cash flow. And you gotta ask yourself, what can you do with an extra $2,000 a month? Can you reinvest that and put it against your mortgage, paying your mortgage down way quicker? Can you open up an investment account for your kids to help them save for college? There's a lot of potential that you can do with the equity in your home, but you need to find a way to access it. That's what I'm here for. My name is Steve Kornbluth. I'm a mortgage agent, and I've helped a lot of families over the years access their money in their home to help them further their dreams. And I'd love to do the same with you. All you have to do is click on the link below. It'll take you to a short 60-second quiz where I can gather a little bit more information, and then we'll have the opportunity to connect over a phone call. And from there, I'll give you some options about what we can do with the equity and how we can use it to serve you and your family. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you. Bye.